going on with my lips, and I'm gonna kind of do something funky with my lips as well. I'm gonna have like a nice orange shade, and again, these are all products that I'm using from my local drugstore. And this shade is by the Wet n Wild's Silk Finish lipstick in the shade 5150. It's kind of like a nice orangey orange tone shade. So going to line and prep my lips, and I'm just going to be going in with this brown, it's like a brown eyeliner. Well, it is, it's a brown eyeliner. I like to line my lip with that to make it stand out. Then I'm going to be going over the lip with this red lip liner to kind of like dull down the color some. Lips are lined with that brown eyeliner. Now I'm going in with this red, well, it's the shade, this is a black, excuse me, with this lip liner in the shade Real Red. It's a true red, and I'm just going to line right over the brown. Going in with this Wet n Wild lipstick. I love the bullet lipsticks. I know bullet lipsticks are not getting the rep that they normally used to get. We're into lip glosses now, but I'm still an avid lipstick lover. Now I'm just going to fill it all in to create like a ombre look. And just taking the shade of brown lip liner, eyeliner rather, and just going back over my lip. Look at those lips, G.L.A.M. And there you have it. My look is pretty much complete. Use all drugstore products in this tutorial to pretty much showcase that you can get gorgeous on a dime. So if you are new to this channel, like I've always stated before, please click that red subscribe button below and just continue to follow me. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, G.L.A.Ms, be blessed and be glamorous.